TTS Sketch Maker is a software tool to create professional-appearing text-to-speech whiteboard videos that includes high-quality male and female voices. This software allows anyone, no matter what their experience level is, to create high-quality whiteboard sketch videos in minutes. And it works on Mac and PC. Adobe Air. Other software only allows you to create sketch videos with music. With TTS Sketch Maker you can create high-quality attention-grabber videos that include video plus music plus voiceover. You need professional whiteboard videos with human-sounding voiceovers. That's the only way to really reach all senses of your viewers. And the better and more human the voices, the better your conversions. How does TTS Sketch Maker works? This software is so easy to use. Just follow these steps. Select an image from the built-in library 150 SVG images or upload your own PNG, JPG or SVG image and drag your image to the canvas. Resize, rotate and place your image the way you want it. Add effects and select your favorite hand style. Enter the text you want to be spoken while the image is drawn. Or just add text to the slide instead of using an image. Choose out of 12 fonts. Select your favorite voice. You can choose out of 25 voices. Add music to your slide's built-in library or add your own. Rinse and repeat the prior steps. Add more images or text to your slide and create the next new slide until your video is ready. Hit save to record your video. So even a complete newbie can now easily create professional sketch whiteboard hand drawing videos with professional computer voiceovers and/or music tracks. It also includes 25 voices, American English 4, British English 4, Spanish 3, Portuguese, Dutch, Czech, Danish, Finnish, French, German, Hungarian, Italian, Norwegian, Polish, Russian, Slovak, Swedish. 150 SVG images, free royalty-free background music tracks, multiple video formats. Save your videos as MP4, WMV, AVI, or MKV in 1280x720 HD format. Free commercial license, so you can use it for clients too. The software can be used on both PC and Mac. Adobe Air software. You can use it on the latest Windows versions as Vista, Windows 7 and 8 and all Mac systems. Why you should buy TTS Sketch Maker? Because with TTS Sketch Maker you have the best whiteboard sketch video creation software on the market that has excellent computer-spoken voiceovers included in the software. Now you can impress your clients with high-converting sales or demo videos. Of course, you can use the software for any type of video you want. Just for fun your kids will love it, or for business. Before it would cost you fortunes to create these kinds of sketch and/or animation videos. Now you can create them too. Especially if you take into account the ridiculous low price. TTS Sketch Maker is sold on demo sale and is now around $31.95 for unlimited personal and commercial usage. The price will increase with every sale up to $37.00. It's a one-time payment for a lifetime license with no monthly fees. So don't delay and get your copy at the special one-time low price. The offer has a 30-day no questions money-back guarantee period.